Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's topic, I am going to discuss to you the module 1 of your computer hardware servicing NC2, which is the installing and configuring computer systems. By the way, I am your teacher, Mrs. Diana Caridad Cos. Okay, our main topic for today is about the basic parts of the computer systems. Computer parts, there are many parts that work together to make a computer work. So many to mention. And let's have the parts identification, shall we? Starting off with the hardware components. When you say hardware component, that is the physical parts of the computer, including your processor and memory chips, input or output devices, tapes, desks, modems, cables, and etc. Or, in other words, your hardware components are the tangible components of your computer systems. Okay, here we go. What do you think is the name of that one? The count of three. 1, 2, 3. If your answer is system case, you're correct. So what is the function of system case? The system case is the primary function of the computer system unit is to hold all the other components together and protect the sensitive electronic parts from the outside elements. In other words, your system case is the housing of your internal components of your computer system. What about that one? Okay, 3 seconds again. 1, 2, 3. What's your answer? It's motherboard. What is the function of the motherboard? It is one of the most essential parts of a computer system. Why? Because it holds together many of the crucial components of a computer, including your central processing unit or your CPU, memory, and connectors from input and output devices. Next we have, okay, that one. What do you call that one? 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Time's up. The answer is power supply unit. Now, what is the function of your power supply unit? It converts AC or alternating current to low voltage regulated DC or direct current power for the internal components of a computer. Modern personal computers universally use switch mode power supplies. Okay, what about that one? Do you know the name of that component? 3 seconds. Okay, time's up. That is the central processing unit. What is the function of the CPU? The central processing unit or CPU of a computer is just a piece of hardware that carries out the instructions of the computer program. It performs the basic arithmetic, logical, and input-output operations of a computer systems. Or in other words, it is the heart and brain of your computer systems. What about that one? It looks like a chocolate, right? Okay, what do you call that one? 3 seconds. Time's up. The answer is random access memory or RAM. It is a form of fast access volatile storage that is used as the main memory in your computer system. And the most widely used form of RAM for the main memory is the dynamic RAM or DRAM. Still out in the market, we have DDR2, DDR3, and DDR4. Okay, what about that one? 3 seconds again. Time's up. Okay, the answer is hard disk drive or HDD. It is a fixed disk with an electronic mechanical data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital information using one or more rigid, rapidly rotating disks or the platters coated with magnetic materials. And the other function of this one, the hard disk drive, is it is the long storage device. This is where you store your software and applications. Okay, what about that one? I know you are familiar with that one. Come on. 3 seconds again. Okay. The correct answer is optical disk drive. That is the generic term for that one. An optical disk drive or ODD, it uses a laser light to read data from or write data to an optical disk. This includes CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. This allows you to play music or watch movies using pre-recorded discs. Or you can also use this one to install software applications and OS, okay, by the use of DVDs and CDs. Okay, what about that one? I think you know this one. That's correct. That is monitor. What is the function of monitor? A computer monitor is a display adapter that displays information processed by the computer's video card. When a video card or graphics card converts binary information from ones and zeros into images, these images are displayed onto the directly connected monitor. That is why the primary output device is your monitor. Okay, what about that one? Okay, there you go. That's what you call mouse and keyboard. The keyboard allows the user to type letters and numbers, while the mouse allows the user to position the cursor, draw and execute program functions by clicking the mouse button. And by the way, the primary input device is the keyboard, and the primary input device for the newer PC is the mouse because of the GUI or the graphical user interface. And that's all. I hope you learned something from today's topic, and see you tomorrow for another lesson. Thank you and bye!